So, opening a door sounds easy, right? Well, today I'm going to teach you how to open a door properly. Welcome to Easy Peasy. Approach the door with confidence because no one ever opens the door like they are afraid. Well, unless it's your boss's office or you are late for an appointment. Now, grab the knob and hold it firm, like you are about to unlock the secrets of the universe. Don't be too gentle and don't be too rough. Grab it firmly, like you are shaking hands with your in-law for the first time. Now, next step, twist it. You must twist the door in style. Let it know that you are in charge. Now, after twisting, you push or pull, depending on the door you are dealing with. And for this door, I will have to pull it. So now, you twist it, then you pull. Twist and pull. Easy, right? Congratulations, you have successfully learned how to open a door properly. For more, don't forget to like and follow.